English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 20.
What did you do before?
I was a waitress in a cafe. My co-workers were really nice.
We had a very demanding boss. He got very tired working night shifts. I spent all day stacking shelves. I left my job because it was badly paid. Joe met our new clients yesterday. They went on a business trip to Paris.
Be. Was. Were. Have. Had. Spend. Spent. Meet. Met. Get. Got. Leave. Left. Go. Went.
My first job was in a busy restaurant kitchen. When I was a gardener, I spent the majority of my time outside. I met lots of famous people when I worked as a reporter. Benjamin went to nearly 100 countries as a pilot. In his last job, he had a dog as a partner.
Why did you leave your first job?
I left it because it was boring.
What did you wear in your first job?
As a police officer, I had a uniform.
What was the best thing about being a DJ?
I met lots of famous musicians.
How did you get a job as a chef?
I went to catering school.
Where did you work as a tour guide?
I spent a lot of time in museums.
I left my last job in the kitchen of a large, exclusive restaurant because I had to work 14 hours every day.
I worked in a hair salon in my last job. Some of my clients were celebrities.
I delivered mail for my first job when I was 18 years old. I had a bicycle and a uniform, and the bag was really heavy.
I'm 21 years old, and I got a scholarship to study for a master's degree this year. I was a student at a different college for my undergraduate degree. I don't have a job.
My first job was in a hospital, and I spent my time caring for people in the emergency department.
I chose to study medical science in college.
I felt really happy when I left college with a top degree.
My manager said that one day I could be CEO of the whole company.
My tutor taught me that it was important to check my own work. I made my girlfriend a big cake to celebrate her new job.
What was your first job?
I was a sales assistant.
How did you get your first job?
I saw an ad for the job in the store window.
How did you feel on your first day?
I felt very excited on my first day.
Why did you choose your first job?
I chose the job because I wanted to work with customers.
When did you leave your first job?
I left my first job 5 years ago.
Why did you leave your first job?
I left my first job because the hours were long.
End of Lesson 20.